Installing the CPU and heatsink may be possibly the most detailed piece of work you'll have to do when building a computer. AMD and Intel's design do differ slightly. Intel with their 4-pin push mount and AMD with their locking lever system. They do, however, share the same locking lever arm release system, and the processor can only be put in one way, signified by its rounded corner. If you try to put the processor in any other way, you will damage the processor. Once these pins are bent, it's next to impossible to straighten them out and reuse the processor again. Open up the locking lever system and drop the processor in it. Use your finger and apply a little bit of pressure and lock the lever. Spread a modest amount of thermal paste onto the processor. Use your finger or a credit card to spread it out evenly. Apply the heatsink with a little bit of pressure and a twisting motion. Plug in the 4-pin ATX CPU power. Plug in the 3-pin or 4-pin power that sets the heatsink fan. Double check your connections as you're done installing your CPU.